Well, I'd like to welcome back today Eileen Ordway of the Village Library. And today we're talking about, well, not books, right?
At least for a little bit,
maybe a
yes.
little bit. But I found this really interesting that there is a gentleman who collects dollhouses, and you've got a couple that are over there.
Yes, Dr. Robert Reyes. He is one of our volunteers. He doesn't actually work day to day yet. He says he'd like to when he retires. But we have a display case, and he manages that, make sure that the displays are interesting to the residents. But just in the last month or so, he brought in two very large dollhouses that are part of his collection. They're over 100 years old, or close to 100 years old. They're exquisite. The wallpaper, the lace curtains in the windows, the little figurines are all dressed in period costumes. They're from that time period that he's collected over the years. So we'd really like people to stop in and check these out. They're really amazing to see.
So how does he come across these? Does he make them? Does he refurbish them? He just buys them?
As far as I know, he's just been collecting. He went to Knott's Berry Farm when he was a kid and saw the miniature town there. And ever since then, he started collecting these things. The one here that we have, he bought from a dealer who had refurbished it, but it's my understanding that he does a lot of the work himself, and he's got amazing things that he puts into our display case. Another set we have right now is old train cars, like that you would have under a Christmas tree, but very old.
Wow.
Yeah, so
I'll have to come over and look at that.
Yes. So right, every couple of weeks we have a new display there. And
see, this is something I didn't know. As many times have you been on,
yes.
I did not know that you have these nice little displays.
Yes, some of it's from clubs who request to have their things displayed, but then anytime there's a gap in those types of things, he brings in his own things, old harmonicas and old utensils, and
That is really neat.
Yeah.
So how long they'll be here for the end of the year, probably?
At least. Probably into January.
Well, those will be neat to see. I mean, you're looking.
He may be hoping we keep them longer so that he has room for them.
Yeah, because you can tell. I mean, they look huge.
They are. And well, the one is very large. We have it on top of our case where we keep our music CDs, and. Yeah, the other one is not quite as big, but still something that a child would have played with, a probably very rich child. But
yeah, that's true. Yeah.
Yeah, but they're
really
beautiful.
Cool.
They're beautiful and very worth coming over to the library to see.
Yeah, I think that is really neat because I did not know that. Now, a few days that you're going to be closed, of course, Christmas Eve, Christmas, New Year's, and such, right?
New Year's Eve and New Year's Day, yes.
All right.
Yeah, so just wanted to remind people that the other days will be here, even the Saturdays during those weeks will be open, but Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, New Year's Eve, and New Year's Day will be closed.
And then coming up in January, the book clubs start back up.
Yes,
right?
the book clubs just last week finalized the list of books that they're going to read for 2020. So but hopefully by the end of the year, we'll have our new brochure that will list, when you open it up, it'll list the 3 different book clubs and all the books that they've selected to read in 2020. So people should stop in towards the end of the year to get those brochures.
Okay.
One side of the brochure shows all the information about the library, and the other's all about the book clubs.
Now, the book clubs, since there's 3, do they focus on different things, or there just happen to be 3 book clubs?
No, the 2 of them do not. They just they vote on what they want. Last year, the 3rd book club was based on the Great American Read that was on PBS. So they only chose books that were in that list. But this year, I think they're just selecting things. So the members nominate books, and then they get voted on by the rest of the people in the group. Okay.
Now, once you have that list, do you stock up so people can get those, or they're on their own to buy them, or whatever they want to do?
What we try to do is we usually have one that's in the catalog. because they're usually popular things anyway. But anytime we get a donation, then we keep our eyes on those donations, and if they match what the book clubs want, we do stockpile them in the back room so that the book club members will have them available. Orange County libraries are also a good source because usually they have way more copies than we do.
Okay. And as far as the book clubs go, how many books throughout the year? Is it monthly?
Usually 11.
Okay,
because
wow.
they're 12. The 12th month they take for that. They have a little party and they make their selections.
Wow.
Yeah.
So a lot of Anybody join both of them or two? Or all three of them?
Yeah. There are some people that do that. Yes.
Avid readers.
Yeah. Yes. Absolutely. Yeah. I give them credit because I can no longer have somebody say, read this book by this date. I can't do it anymore.
Yeah.
So it's like going to school for me.
Yeah.
But they enjoy it. And a lot of people, even though they may not be able to come to the book club or don't want to discuss a book, they know that these are recommendations. Mm-hmm. So they take our brochure and they'll read the books on their own. So it's also a good resource for people.
But people can get information now, and then they start up in January.
We should have the brochures available before the end of the year.
Okay.
Since they just finalized their list, we have to finalize the brochure and then get them printed.
Okay. All right. Very good. And if anyone who wants to see a nice display of a couple dollhouses, I think that's going to be really nice.
It is. It's very nice.
Yeah. Very good.
Easy to stop in and see them.
Yeah. Good to see you.
Good to see you too,
And
Ken.
you have a good holiday. We'll see you. We may or may not see you in January, depending on your schedule, but we'll definitely...
Someone will be here to talk about the library.
Yeah, we'll definitely do a library segment.
Yes.
All right, you take care.
All right,
and we'll
thanks,
be back.
Ken.